Randall Burg with Love That Yacht. Behind me is a 140-ton travel lift. You can see this green monster right there. And we're going to pull this catamaran out right now. They've just arrived. I'm at Lauderdale Marine Center. We're getting ready to haul a 40-foot Manta. I'm going to turn the camera on so you can see it. And there she is. She's coming in. Coming into the dock and do the survey. So you can see behind me, they're slowly coming into the ways. And they have the slings in the water, and they'll have some diver possibly make sure it avoids the sail drives when they put the lifting rig together. And that's how it's done. So the Lauderdale Marine Center is the largest marine center of its kind in the U.S. It's absolutely massive, something like 140 acres. This is the small portion for the little boats. And they have ways and travel lifts all over to accommodate pretty much mega yachts and down. I am surrounded by catamarans. At Lauderdale Marine Center. This is where they haul the cats. The Yard's doing a great job at protecting the hull. Not only do they wrap the strap, but they put a big blanket, storage blanket, along the hull so there's any abrasion when they actually lift it because of a little movement. That's really great job. So we got protective straps, bow and stern on both sides. Just a great way for the Yard to protect the client's boat.